Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change background color on Instagram stories. If you're using Instagram and you want to change background color for your Instagram story, so let's see how can you do that. How to simply open your Instagram app and then tap on this plus story option, and then you'll get on the story creation page. Just tap on the camera option here, and you have to select story, then tap on this create option, and here you have to tap on the sticker option here. If you want to change the color for your story, so there's a simple way. You have to take a photo first. Once you have taken a photo, just tap on this draw option here and select any color which you want to change for your background. Once you have selected, keep a long press on an empty place. It will be completely colored. Now tap on the done option in the top right corner, then tap on sticker option here, and then select photo from here or the video you want to add into your story. So I'm going to select, for example, this photo. It will be added as a sticker. You can easily resize it, reshape it, or you can easily edit it in much ways. So once you have chosen a size or any shape, just use your two fingers to resize the photo here. You can also try to move this photo if you want. You can move it. And once you have done, just tap on this share option to your story and it will be added to your story. So in this way, you can easily change color for your Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.